Step into the 2005 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, and remote keyless entry. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.